Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well this week. This is yet another report from the Scholars Sports Desk where we keep you up to date on the latest Scholars sports and athletics. My name is John and here's what will be on the lineup from February 8th to February 14th. Starting with high school athletics, the only thing on the list for this week is cheer practice. That will be taking place in the gym at 7 a.m. on both Tuesday, February 10th and Thursday, February 12th. Moving on to Scholars Middle School athletics, boys basketball will be playing in a home game against MS 53, starting at 9 a.m. on Monday, February 9th. There will be cheerleading practice also on Monday, February 9th, as well as Wednesday, February 11th, both starting at 2:50 p.m. In the theater, boys basketball will then hold a practice starting at 3 p.m. on Thursday, February 12th, closing out the week of Scholars Middle School athletics. That will be all for this week, but make sure to stay up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholar Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel, checking out psal.org, and looking at our calendar under the school landing page, scholarsnyc.com, so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholar Sports throughout the season. That's it for the sports report this week. I'm John, and I'll see you next time.